Today we will prepare a very quick dish which is called Tarte Flambée from Alsace. Let's take this one. Amazing and cheap. Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Traditional dish that people eat every Sunday night in Winstube, little bar, little pub in Alsace. Very typical, and we will do the traditional one, and but the quick recipe without any yeast, only flour, water, salt, and oil, sunflower oil. And for the filling, you need the cottage cheese, onion, and bacon, and nutmeg. But there can be any filling which you like. You can put smoked salmon, you can put some, also you can do it sweet with pineapple, with banana, chocolate. You can play put a lot of things on top, but the dough will be this one and the base will be cottage cheese. It's like a pizza. You can use any filling which you have in your fridge and do all what you want. So let's start with the dough. If you have a machine, it will be quicker. If you don't have, you will do it with your hand, around 5 minutes. So let's start with flour, the water, the salt, and sunflower oil. Voilà. It's not a pizza, so please don't put olive oil. You can put sunflower oil, or even you can put sandou in French, which is fat from pig, which is melt, and after when it's cold, it's like butter, and you use this instead of sunflower oil, and your dough will be your tarte flambée will be a little bit more crispy. It's written that in the very past they used to do this. When it doesn't stick to your bowl or to your table, it's ready, like this. Doesn't stick to your hands, doesn't stick to the bowl, so it's very convenient. You make a bowl. Voilà. The good consistency, elastic. You put it here. We put a towel and have a rest for an hour. We keep it at room temperature for an hour, and it will be easier to roll it out. Meanwhile, the dough is resting. We can cut the onion. I have a big onion, but if you have a little one, you can make slice. I will do half slice like this, and you need to cut it finely, but not so fine. But it must be staying like crispy. Voilà. If I eat it, I must feel a little bit of texture like this. If I make too fine, it won't be like this. So our bacon is already cut. It's a little cut, we call it allumette, so like very fine pieces. I have a tray like this one, the tray of oven, which is still in oven, 250 degrees maximum. In my case, is 250 degrees Celsius. It's maximum power that I have, because this you could have if you have pizza oven at 400 degrees. You can use this way and you will cook it 1 minute and a half. In our case, it won't be. So we can roll out the dough. We put a little bit flour on the desk, on the table, and we will make one nice tarte flambée, as thin as you can. Around 1 millimeter, it will be okay. And usually this volume, it's the right weight for one tray of oven. It's better to do it square for your tray or oval. In our case, it will be square because we have this kind of tray. Voilà, I can put it on the baking paper. Voilà, maximum possible. Border not so straight, huh? It's homemade. Now we can prepare the filling with cottage cheese, nice sour cream from Normandy, very fatty, it's around 42% fat. Hop, So you can use only sour cream, only cottage cheese, but I personally prefer the mix of both. Half and half. 100 of this, 100 of this. But you need something fatty. If you don't have cottage cheese, you can add Greek yogurt, for instance, but finally it must be fatty. And now here you can put pepper, salt, and nutmeg. Nutmeg is very important for this recipe. Freshly grated nutmeg. It smells very nice. We mix all of this. Let's try. Salt, pepper, nutmeg. Okay. We put our cream. We can make borders of 1 centimeter. They will stay crispy. Of course, bacon. You can put what you like. If you don't like bacon, you can put smoked salmon, smoked trout, smoked fish. You can invent yourself what you like. Chicken, of course, smoked chicken, already cooked chicken, what you have in your fridge, and invent your own recipe. But this is the traditional Alsatian one. I do not pre-cooked onions, but if your taste is sweet, you can pre-cook them. You can fry them, so they will be sweeter, but in original recipe it's raw. And they stay a little bit crispy, they burn a little bit on the top because of the flame of oven. And we can put in oven. So I go for the tray. A tray very hot. We put this fantastic tart and come back in oven for around 5-6 minutes.
Montage.
Well, after 6 minutes is ready. 3 minutes on the bottom of the oven, on the floor, and 3 minutes on the top with the grill, 250 degrees Celsius. Well, usually we serve this in a board, in a wood board. Well, so we cut in pieces. Let's take this one. As you see, little bit burnt onion on the top. It's what we need. Crispy borders. And like this. It's hot, but it's nice. It goes well with beer, friends, Friday night, or in Alsace, Sunday night. Amazing and cheap. And you can do it with anything you like. Enjoy, try this recipe, let a comment, put a like if you like this video.